Everyone, this is Jesse with farmingseattle.com. Wanted to do an update on the Aquaponics greenhouse, or now it's a greenhouse. So it's about 32 degrees out right now. I just turned the water back on for the aquaponics system. You can kind of see down there, it's there's ice coming out. I'm going to see if it'll actually utilize the bell siphon and come out. It might just overflow, I'm not sure. So what I did is I got some just some painter's plastic. This is like 3.5 mil painter's plastic from Home Depot for like 10 bucks. And then I ordered some of these, I don't know, wood clamps from Amazon for 12 bucks. And then if you see right there, I just have some conduit. I think it's 3/4 inch conduit flanges or whatever those are. So that's just supporting 3 1/2-inch PVC pipes, and that's kind of keeping everything warmer in there. It's definitely warmer. I don't know how warm it's gonna get. It's a sunny day today. It's supposed to get below freezing again. Some of the fish down there weren't looking too happy, so we'll see if turning the pump back on actually helps them out. I might keep the pump on all night and just turn that the upper flange over here so that no water goes in the grow bed, because I'm not sure if it'll actually flow out or not. So far so good. There's only a little bit of ice up top in there, and this plastic's not greenhouse plastic. There's a slight film on it, so it could be better, but just trying to protect as much as I can up top. So with that, I guess I just clamp these little guys around the PVC pipes, makes easy access inside of the greenhouse there. And I need to build some more beds today. I got some whatever these things are called, dollies I think, or whatnot, but my idea is to put them over the side and have 2 tanks off to the side, or 2 grow beds off to the side. That will expand that a little bit. So thanks for watching, and I'll do some more stuff later.